Buenas tardes.
Thank you so much for coming today.
All right, here we go. This is where things get serious fast. A 17-year-old, a DUI charge, and a judge who clearly isn't in the mood for excuses. Watch how quickly this turns from routine to reality check.
Your son is charged with driving while intoxicated. He's facing up to 6 months in jail and/or a $2,000 fine. It's a very serious charge. He's only 17, and I wanted to know more about him, so I sent him for a drug test. He tested positive for marijuana. I told him that I was going to test him again in 30 days.
This right here is a classic judicial strategy, progressive consequences. The judge is giving a warning shot, but also setting a trap, fail again, and the punishment escalates. It's not just about the past, it's about predicting future behavior.
If he tested positive again for marijuana in 30 days, that tells me that he's continued to use, and I'm going to put him in jail. He does not have a license, so at this moment in time, I'm going to order him not to drive.
Now this is the big philosophical question in the justice system. Does fear actually reform someone, or just scare them temporarily? Drop your thoughts. Does tough love work, or does it backfire with young defendants?
If this is your car, I would be very careful, because if he goes out there and has an accident, God forbid, does damage or hurts someone else, that will be on you. They will come after you. All the hard work that you've done in life could be down the tubes. If you were to really hurt someone, they're not going to come after him. They're going to go after the deep pockets, and that is you.
Notice how the judge shifts focus to the parent. That's not accidental. Legally, this is about liability. If the son causes harm, the financial responsibility could fall on the parent. This is the court making it personal.
If there's anything else that you want me to do, I'm willing to help you in any way. I gave him a lawyer today, and I will have the lawyer reach out to you. If there's anything that you need, all you have to do is ask me. If he starts acting up at your house and not following your orders, just come back and tell me, and I will straighten him out for you. You better be good for your mom. She works hard as it is. You start acting a fool in the free world, I will take the free world away from you in a heartbeat. Do you understand? You are not allowed to drive. I don't care what your excuse is. I don't care what you're doing. No driving. Do you have insurance in your name? Does he have insurance, Mom? ¿Él tiene aseguranza, sí o no?
Yes. Yes.
Is there anything that you would like from me as far as your son? Has he been going to school, or is he skipping school?
No, sí, está yendo a la escuela.
He's going to school.
No, se ha portado bien, nada más que pues últimamente no sé qué le ha pasado.
He has been behaving well. I'm not sure what's happened lately.
Dime con quién andas, yo te digo quién eres. I don't know who he's hanging out with. Perhaps that's what it is. Perhaps it's just him himself. The only thing at this point, no more weed. Do you understand? You hold the keys to the jail cell. No alcohol. I'm going to test you for alcohol as well. You drink alcohol, likewise you will go to jail. They're going to call you to test. You have to go up there and test.
That's right.
Do you have any questions?
Él le toca la otra corte ¿Tengo que venir yo o tiene que venir? Él tiene que venir, ¿verdad?
For the next court date, do I have to come, or he also has to come, yes?
I will waive his appearance so he doesn't have to come as long as he remains in contact with the lawyer that I've given him. If the lawyer tells me that he's not responding to phone calls or text messages, I will issue a warrant. Do you have a phone number, ma'am? A cell phone?
Ocho.
832.
Oh, hold on a second. This is Celestino, right? Okay. 832.
368-4937.
4937.
4937? Okay.
4937?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have a cell phone?
288-0553.
Did you hear that, John?
I've already gotten his number, Judge, but I did not get all the digits from Mom. I got 832 and not the next three digits.
368?
A little bit. So, I mean, I'll follow up later with him.
The reset we give you now will have the lawyer's phone number.
El número de teléfono del abogado.
If you have any questions, you can call him and he will tell you what's going on with the case. My only concern is that the streets are safe and that he's not using alcohol and drugs. If he cannot stop, there's only one place that he goes to.
Okay. Pero él ahorita hizo el examen de droga y le salió droga.
He did the drug test and it came out with drugs.
I sent him to go take a drug test and he tested positive for marijuana.
And here's where the tone changes again. This isn't just about one kid anymore. The judge starts generalizing about teenagers as a whole. Is that fair, or is that frustration talking from years on the bench?
I had a feeling
Yo tenía,
that's the problem with 17-year-olds. Everything that comes out of their mouth is a lie. You cannot trust it. That's why I had him drug tested. It's unfortunate, and at some point they will grow up. But while they are teenagers, it's whose guess as to what happens. I'm shuddering the day my kids become teenagers. So, if you have any issues, Mom, come back to me and I will help you however you need. Okay?
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Okay. All right. So you will now get a reset. Stay in contact with John. That's the lawyer up there. You must stay in contact with him. He's going to call you in about an hour now, and you need to speak to him. You understand? No more dope. Thank you. Who are you with?
Is that your mom?
Is that Mom?
Yes, sir.
Come up, Mom.
Step over just a little bit. She said positive for THC.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Thank you so much for coming. Your son is charged with reckless driving. He's facing up to 30 days in jail and or a $500 fine. I went and sent him for a drug test. You want to take any guesses as to how it came out?
Yeah, it was positive. I heard.
Test positive again in 30 days. Guess where you're going to end up? Right. I've already had to put multiple people in jail for the same thing. I don't care if I hurt your feelings. I don't care if you're mad at me. It stops today.
Yes, sir.
You will be tested 31 days from today. And if you test positive, it tells me that you've continued to smoke and you will dry up in jail. You understand? The other thing, ma'am, is whose car is he driving, yours or his?
His own.
Okay, I would be very careful because like I've already told him that the legislature has made it extremely easy for.
This might be one of the most overlooked powers in cases like this, asset forfeiture. The judge is warning that repeated reckless behavior doesn't just risk jail time, it can literally cost you your car. And that's a punishment that hits immediately.
District attorneys across the state to seize cars from people who engage in this type of activity multiple times. You are on notice now. And I'm telling you, I've had people come here where their cars have been seized, a very nice $60,000 truck seized because they race and do donuts. All right. Tell me, how old are you? Okay. What do you do for a living?
Plumbing.
That's right. Do you have an income?
Yes.
How much do you make?
A month, I would say around like 2,500.
Okay. You need a lawyer to represent you, and we're going to reset your case to give you time to do that. So we're going to reset you 31 days. You must be back here. And I'm telling you, you will be drug tested. You understand? Okay. Mom, if he starts acting up with you, all you have to do is come back and tell me, and I will straighten him out for you.
My son is a very good kid. I have nothing, so he's.
Just you let me know if you have any problems, and we can help you out. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Just go ahead and take a seat. Are you Cynthia Jimenez? Ms. Jimenez, you're charged with theft. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and/or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. Please don't say anything. Okay.
On June 28th, 2024, officers were dispatched to a Target regarding a theft. The complaining witness advised that the defendant entered the store, but put merchandise in the shopping cart and went to the self-checkout, failed to pay for the merchandise, and proceeded to exit the store, passing all points of sale with the unpaid merchandise. The total value was $106.65.
Was she alone? Was she with anyone? By herself? Got it. Ms. Jimenez, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. I'm ordering you now as a condition of your bond not to go to any Target whatsoever. Do you understand, man? If I find that you go to Target, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. You have a lawyer. She will take care of the case for you. If she tells me she can't get a hold of you because you're playing games and ducking and dodging phone calls, likewise, I will issue a warrant. I will waive your appearance so you don't have to waste your time and come into court, and she will tell you when you have to come back. Just stay in contact with her. Good things will happen there. For now, I will have you go to Victoria, sign a reset. After that, we'll have you take your seat in the jury box. We'll get your bond conditions, we'll have you sign it, and then you'll be free to go. Okay, thank you.
Right this way.
But I love your jacket.
Thank you. Mr. Triplett, you were placed on probation for a gun case. You're facing up to a year in jail and/or a $4,000 fine. Since that, a motion to revoke has been filed, alleging, among other things, you failed to report for February twice, September twice, and in March. Tested positive for marijuana. Let's see, when in June. At least 4 to 5 different times. Mr. Triplett, what do you do for a living? How much money do you make a month?
Like 700.
A week. Who do you live with?
I live with myself, my kids, and my baby mama.
Did you want to apply for an appointed lawyer, sir? You're facing a year in jail. You need a lawyer to represent you. And I'm telling you now, it's not going well. You need a lawyer to represent you.
I need to buy one.
Well, I'm willing to offer you one now. If you want to apply for one, I'll look at your application to see whether you qualify for an appointed lawyer. As it stands now, if I test you, what are you going to test positive for? Okay, you smoke after today. I'm telling you, it's not going to go well. Do you understand? I've already had to put someone in jail for the same very thing already, and I will triple to quadruple your bond if you test positive again. Do you understand? You're going to get tested again in 30 days. I don't care what your reason is. I don't care who you're with. You test positive for weed again, I'm gonna quadruple your bond. Do you understand? So let's get him someone and then we'll have them talk. Right. For now, Stephen's gonna give you an application. I'm gonna have you sign a reset with Victoria and we'll have you take a seat in the jury box, sir.